Mind-blowing fact number 1. Did you know that honey found in the Egyptian pyramids is still edible after thousands of years? Yes, honey's natural antimicrobial properties make it an incredibly long-lasting food. Talk about a sweet preservation. Fruit fact time. We often pop strawberries in our fruit salads and leave bananas for the monkey. But did you know that botanically speaking, it's the banana that's a berry, while the strawberry isn't? Yes, you heard right. It's all down to the plant family they come from and the structure of the fruit itself. So next time you reach for that banana, remember, you're actually grabbing a berry. Nature sure has a quirky sense of humor. Ever noticed how giant the moon looks when it's near the horizon? It's not a trick of the light or a result of some celestial growth spurt. This is an example of the moon illusion. Despite what our eyes tell us, the moon remains the same size regardless of where it is in the sky. It's our brain that plays the trickster here, perceiving the moon as larger when it's closer to the horizon. That's the moon illusion at work, tricking our brains into thinking the moon is larger. In an unbelievable record, the longest time between twins being born is a whopping 87 days. You heard that right, 87. We typically expect twins to share the same birthday, but in this rare case, they ended up being almost 3 months apart. Imagine the suspense for the family, waiting for the second twin to arrive. It's unusual, it's extraordinary, and it showcases just how unpredictable life can be. The thrill of anticipation must have been something else. Moving on to the animal kingdom. Did you know a group of flamingos is known as a flamboyant? This term isn't just a fancy wordplay, but a nod to the striking color and graceful sway of these birds. Spotted in the wild, their vibrant pink plumage and synchronized movements are indeed a flamboyant spectacle. When they flock together, it's as if a living, breathing work of art has come to life. Quite fitting for these elegant birds, don't you think? Octopuses, the surprisingly three-hearted creatures with blue blood, truly captivate us with the wonders of marine life. These fascinating cephalopods have not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts, each serving a unique purpose. And their blood, unlike ours, is a magnificent shade of blue. But why blue, you ask? It's because their blood is copper-based, unlike ours, which is iron-based. These intriguing traits are just a few of the many reasons octopuses truly captivate us with the wonders of marine life. Ever noticed how the Eiffel Tower seems taller in the summer? This isn't just your imagination playing tricks on you. It's a phenomenon caused by the thermal expansion of iron. As temperatures rise, the iron in the Eiffel Tower expands, causing the iconic structure to grow by more than 6 inches. Quite interesting, right? It's as if the Eiffel Tower is breathing in the summer air, stretching itself to its full height. Living architecture, perhaps? As we yawn, are we really just tired? It's a question that's been asked time and again. But what if I told you it's not always about fatigue? Intriguing, isn't it? So let's dive into it. Some scientific studies propose an alternative theory. They suggest that our bodies might be trying to cool down our brains when we yawn. Yes, you heard that right. Yawning might be our body's own little air conditioning system. So, research suggests not instead. Our bodies might be cooling the brain. Ever enjoyed the name avocado? It's a fun word to say, isn't it? But did you know its origins are a bit more cheeky? That's right. The word avocado comes from the Aztec word ahuacatl, which quite literally translates to testicle. The Aztecs named it for its shape and the way it hangs from the tree. Quite the amusing etymological journey, wouldn't you agree? So the next time you're enjoying some guacamole, remember the interesting backstory behind our beloved avocado. Now that leaves a taste. Impressively, the world record for holding breath underwater is 24 minutes and 37 seconds. This isn't some magic trick or illusion, it's the very limit of human endurance and adaptability. The record holder, a freediver, had to slow their heart rate, conserve oxygen, and resist the overwhelming urge to breathe. It's a testament to what the human body can endure when pushed beyond its perceived boundaries. Imagine the sheer will required for such an astonishing feat. As we journey through the world of knowledge, it's fascinating how each fact unfolds. From the eternal sweetness of honey in the Egyptian pyramids and the peculiar classifications of our fruits, to the astonishing moon illusion and the enduring record set by twins. We've explored the flamboyant world of flamingos, the three-hearted octopuses, the summer growth of the Eiffel Tower, the cooling effect of yawning, the cheeky origins of the avocado's name, and the breathtaking underwater breath-holding record, opening up new horizons for us. So remember, each time you look up at the moon, reach for a banana, or marvel at the Eiffel Tower, The world around us is filled with endless, delightful surprises. From the sweet preservation of ancient honey to the oddities of octopuses and the curious case of yawning, our journey through knowledge reveals the unexpected. Each fact, each revelation is a testament to the world's ceaseless wonder. So let's keep exploring, keep learning, and keep being amazed. The world around us is filled with endless, delightful surprises.